If you need to promote your business or promote your startup, then here are 5 traffic sources that are perfect for entrepreneurs. Now, the first way is to get my web traffic kit. It contains over 100 traffic sources. 95 of them are completely free to use, and it has a 30-day planner so you know exactly what you need to do each day to promote your business. And it even has high converting advertising templates if you want to go down that route. So click the link in the description to get it right now. And Web Traffic Flow members already have access to this, so you don't need to do anything. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this is Sitejabber.com. It's got over 4 million hits. And this is basically Yelp for online businesses. And pretty much any niche you can think of is represented here. Here we have, well, clothing, freelancing, dating, wholesale, electronics, office supplies, jobs, legal. That's really just the tip of the iceberg because, well, as it's really a Yelp alternative for online businesses, well, what that means is we can add our website or our business to this directory, and then people can leave reviews for your company. So here are all the niches represented on this platform, and we can break it down even further into sub niches. So let's say you are in the health industry, but you only target people who have diabetes or depression, or you target people interested in yoga. Well, you'll be able to do that on this website. So for example, if we take a look at the top online yoga stores, well, if we scroll down, here we have yoga companies and their reviews. So we can adjust the filters here to structure this information in different ways. We can also sort by stars, high to low, low to high, reviews, rating, popularity. And even though it gets enormous levels of traffic, there is still ample opportunity for you here. So for example, if we went with yoga, well, there are only 42 businesses listed. So you only have to really compete with 42 other businesses in this niche. So take the time to explore this website before you list your business. I'll show you exactly how to do that in a second, but it comes with lots of guides and resources to help you improve your business. So you will be able to promote your business or your startup just by exploring some of the guides, the helpful guides and the resources. If you're convinced that this could be a good option for your business, then head over to For Business, click on that button there, and now it's going to try and sell you some stuff. You don't have to buy anything, right? You can get up and running with this for free, and I would encourage you to only consider upgrading to a premium option if you're already getting results. So don't waste your money unless you know you're going to get good results. So to use this for free, on the right hand side, click on Claim Your Free Profile. Then you can go ahead and create an account and have your business listed there for free. Okay, this one is, let me refresh the page here. So this one is going to be called Mapquest. Here we go. It's got, in the last few months, 75 million visits. It's incredible. Check this out. So this is what it looks like. Long before Google Maps and Apple Maps and those kind of sites came along, we had Mapquest. But as you can see, it still gets enormous levels of traffic. So it's a viable way to promote your business or promote your startup. So let me just walk you through how to use it, because here we've got an area. This is the area where I live at the moment. So we've got Morecambe Bay, and let me show you. I live somewhere around here, I think, right? So if I wanted to find businesses in my neighborhood, here on the left hand side, I can choose what type of businesses I want to find. I can also search for businesses if I want to, but let's just go with shopping for the moment. Now it's populated the map with relevant businesses. Now I can narrow this down to get down to a more niche level, but let's just keep it quite vague at the moment. So I could, if I wanted to, have my website, my business listed here, so I would show up on this map. I don't feel the need to do that, but your website, you might be able to get a nice backlink or a bit more exposure for your startup. But let's say I want to go to this shop. Now, this is where I buy my music instruments and my DJ gear. So here on the left-hand side, since I've clicked on that, it's now give me the phone number. It's give me a link to their website as well. So if you want to get your website or your business listed on the map in your area, here we have this burger menu. Click on that, and it's going to give you an option to claim your business. Click on claim your business, get rid of the annoying pop-up, and now you will be able to add your business and your website to the listings. Right. So next up is Thumbtack.com. It gets 20 million hits, enormous levels of traffic. This is what the platform looks like. It's a way to get traffic and leads for your business. So here we have a search bar. Let's say we're looking for, let's just go with marketing. So we're looking for a marketer in a zip code, and then we hit search. And what we're going to get is a list of marketers in that area. We can narrow it down to get to a more niche level if we want to. I'm just going to ignore that for the moment, because I just want to show you the opportunities that are available to you. So here we have, well, top 3 matching marketers. There are actually more available. So if we scroll down, we will get the full list of marketers. So, well, let's click on one of these. Let's go with the top one. So it'll open up this person's profile. So here we have some copy. They've also got links to their social media, so they will be able to link out to their website. And if I was in the market to hire a marketer, well, this could be a good place for me to start looking. And we've already seen that there are tens of millions of people hitting this website all the time. Okay, so we know it's a viable traffic source. How do you list your profile on here? So if you scroll down to the bottom, we can go to sign up. Click on sign up. It'll ask you to create an account. You will be able to add your business or add your startup. If you get stuck, it's got a handy help section on how to add your business. Okay, this one is a little bit more niche. It's Saasgenius.com. It gets over 150,000 hits. This is the website. It is really for software as a service businesses. So it might be right for you, even though the traffic level is not as high as some of the other websites we've looked at today. Because it's more niche, that audience is going to be more engaged. If we scroll down to the most popular categories, here we get an idea of the type of businesses that tend to do well on this platform. So basically a directory of SaaS businesses with links to their websites. Now, if you want to get listed on here, scroll right the way down to the bottom and go to Get Listed, click on that, and then go through the process of adding your website. They do have quite a strict criteria, and free listing tends to fluctuate. Sometimes they accept free listings, other times they don't. So it can be a little bit hit and miss. But if you're running SaaS, then this is probably a good option. And remember to click the link in the description to get that web traffic kit. It's going to give you everything you need to drive traffic quickly. It's perfect if you want to promote your business or promote your startup. Click the link and get it right now. Okay, thank you for being here today. I will hopefully see you again very soon. Take care and God bless.